Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Awesome Birds. It's a lovely afternoon here in late March in Stillwater, Oklahoma. And right over my shoulder this way, bzz, 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 I'm welcoming back our first blue-gray gnatcatchers of the spring. Welcome. That whiny sound, like ring, ring. That's spotted towhee. They're here for the winter, so they'll be clearing out pretty soon. Ring. Just talking to the gnatcatcher a little bit. In the distance, you might be hearing a clear whistle. And that's tufted titmouse song. And then there's a beep. It's Carolina chickadee. Off in the distance, that's Carolina wren. So Carolina wren, Carolina chickadee, tufted titmouse, blue-gray gnatcatcher, spotted towhee. And there's another early migrant back that has been singing here the last few minutes, but of course not now while I'm running the video. That's white-eyed vireo. Oh, he did just sing, but he's farther away now. It's like, so there's like a sharp note at either end of a fast little song. Sounds like a ricochet. I got a couple of gnatcatchers in here now, scolding each other, maybe scolding me, maybe teaming up on me. Oh, robin. Tut, tut. Oh, red-bellied woodpecker. So when I meet a non-awesome bird, I'll let you know. So far, all the ones I know are pretty awesome. Whether it's new migrants just getting here at this time of year, like blue-gray gnatcatcher and white-eyed vireo, whether it's wintering birds that are about to leave pretty soon, like spotted towhee, or our, local residents like titmice and chickadees and wrens and woodpeckers. Oh, there's that white-eyed vireo. That was him. White-eyed vireo. So you can just do this. You can just go outside, listen for birds, try to look at them to help you figure out what they are. Use apps like Merlin to help you put songs to faces. And then learn more about what they do. Who migrates where? When do they move? What's common in your area at any given time? Or not. Just go outside and listen to them. It's kind of magical.